So you want to eat cat food? Cool, cool. No? Then stop saying I'll save more later, because later always turns into never. Look, I know I'm your financial hype woman, but I'm going to put you on blast here. Every time you push this off, you're basically telling future you, good luck with that, babe. It's time to get it together. Let's make some moves. First, peek at your numbers. How much are you actually saving? Don't just guess, I see you. Next, bump it up. Those are rookie numbers. Even saving another 1% of your paycheck each year can make a huge difference. And if your boss is tossing free money at you with an employer match, grab it like a free sample at Costco. Fast and no shame. Finally, automate it. Set it and forget it. Let those robots do the work, because you've got better things to do, like reading Fairy Swat or planning your next trip. This is how you avoid being the little grandma eating cat food while side-eyeing past you for dropping the ball. We're here for crab legs, wine nights, and vacations, not regrets. Handle it now and thank yourself later. Save this reel, tag your future old lady porch friend, and let's make some moves for future you, because nobody dreams of eating cat food.